Hello friend, now I will show you Olymp broker strategy. So let's start. Indicator SMA 8 and indicator momentum period 41 and 14. Okay, try to understand. When you will see momentum blue line will cross this yellow line from up, and when you will see a red candle touch this moving average line, then you will give put 1 minute. When this candle will end, then you will give put. Okay, let's see some screenshot. Try to understand. See this, always try this type of shape. It's a good shape. Always try this type of shape. And also when this candle will touch this moving average line, you need few candles did not touch this moving average line. Previous few candles did not touch this moving average line. See this, it's the best position. Another position will work, but sometimes does not work. That's why I think you should follow this one. Okay, just wait. See this, sharply crossed this yellow line. When you will see blue line will cross this yellow line from below and sharply, and when you will see a green candle touch this yellow line, and when you will see this candle will end, then you will give trade call. So have a good day. Just do practice it.